Hello my dear students, welcome back. Once again, this is your English teacher Himanshi ma'am. How are you my dear students? I hope you all are doing well and staying safely at your home. So students, today is the time for video lesson number 2 for the ongoing topic, and the topic is from writing section. The topic we are currently doing is leave application. That's right. In the previous video lesson, what have we discussed? Let me brief you a little bit. In the previous video lesson, we have started with the introduction of letter writing. We have discussed how to write a leave application. That means we have discussed the format of leave application step by step. I hope you have watched the previous video multiple times to understand each and every step of the format, so that when you do your work in FAIR registers, you do not make any kind of mistake. In the previous video lesson, we have already discussed one practice question of leave application, in which the body of your letter was in past tense. And when do we write the body in past tense? When we have already taken the leave. That means you have taken the leave, now you are coming back to school, and then you are submitting your leave application. Okay students, today we are going to continue with the same topic and do the second kind of content, in which you will write the body of your letter in future tense. When do we use that my students? We write the body of letter in future tense when we already know that we have to take leave. We have plans to go away, and before taking the leave, we are writing the application and submitting. So this is the task for today's video lesson. But before I continue with that, there is a small job which I have for all of you. Well students, if you will observe on your screen, there is a small icon. On that it is written like. So come on students, quickly click on the like button. 1, 2, 3, like. Yes, very nice. Now, after watching this whole video, make sure that you share it with all the other students and other people you know. And I hope by now you all are already my subscribers. So students, now is the time we start with today's practice question. Time to pay attention on your screens. Writing skill. Leave application, class 7 and 8. Please note down all the details in your FAIR registers. So students, in the previous video lesson, we have already discussed the format of writing the leave application. Today, we will directly start with question number 2, where the body of letter will be in future tense. Question number 2. Write a leave application to the class teacher asking for a leave as you have a marriage function in your family which you need to attend. My dear students, in this question again, some words are underlined to make you understand that in this type of letter, you will be writing the body of your letter in future tense. Starting with your answer, first we will be writing the sender's address. I have written XYZ. But my dear students, you will be writing your own address within 3 lines. Below that, you will leave one blank line. After that, you will put the date. You must remember to write the month in alphabets. And after writing the month, you should also put a comma to separate the month and the year. Below that, again leaving one line and starting with your receiver's address. In this question, the receiver is the class teacher. Below that, in 3 lines, you will write the school address. And after writing school address, you will again leave one blank line. And after that, what comes next? Next will be your subject of the letter. And your subject will be simply 2 words, leave application. Below the subject, again you will leave one blank line. And after that, in the next line, you will write your salutation. Salutation means giving respect to your receiver. In this question, the receiver is your class teacher. So, writing madam. In the next line, we finally start with the body of your letter. With due respect, I wish to say that I have an upcoming marriage function in my close family. I need to go on leave for attending the same. I assure you that I shall complete my pending work and be regular in my studies. Kindly grant me your permission to take leave from 8 to 12 August. I shall be highly grateful to you. Students, you must observe again that in this body of letter I have again underlined a few words to mark and make you identify that these are the particular ways in which you write body of letter when you have to write the leave application in advance. Before going on leave, whenever you write the leave application, you must add this line, kindly grant me your permission. Below the body of letter, simply in the next line, thank you, yours truly, name, class and section. Time for home assignment number 2. Questions will be same for both class 7 and 8. Write a leave application to your class teacher for not attending school for 2 days due to a stomach infection. Write a leave application to the principal as you have to go to your village for 1 week. It is my suggestion to all my students of class 7 and 8, before doing your home assignment, kindly watch video number 1 and 2 of leave application once again. Okay, my dear students, I hope today's practice question was also easily understood by all of you. Now we have done 2 types of body of letter for leave application. In today's home assignment, I have given 2 questions which you have to do in your fair registers. And once again, I must remind you that this ongoing topic will be common for class 7 and class 8. So I hope you will easily do the work in your fair registers without any mistake or overwriting or any other thing. So students, before you do the home assignment, I am again saying it, I am repeating myself. Please watch the previous video and this video once again, so that the format of writing the application is fresh in your mind and you are completely able to do the work. Okay students, that is all we have to discuss today. But wait, there is one more thing I want to discuss. That is your video presentations. Students, I want to congratulate you for doing this activity really nicely. I am completely overwhelmed and excited and happy and feel very motivated to see this huge response that I have received from all my dear students of class 7 and class 8. You all have done this task very nicely at your own levels. So I must congratulate you, and I hope in the future you will continue doing these kind of activities really well. These are the new ways that we have started our digital teaching and learning, and I feel very motivated to see how easily you all are able to adapt to these methods. I hope we continue with our activities because you know we are learning English language, so speaking skill is also equally important. I hope you keep on doing this kind of work in future activities as well. So students, till then, take care, bye bye. I hope to see you all really soon. Don't forget to click on the like button, share the video and make sure you are my subscribers. Okay my dear students, take care, bye bye.